Welcome to LTW Ergonomic Solutions here in Louisville, Kentucky. It's just been a wonderful experience, and I praise God for bringing us here because 2 weeks ago we were at Modex in Atlanta, and then Friday coming back, just decided to come here, and it's just been a real blessing. So I want to show you guys and about our products, and this is going out to a big thanks to everybody that stopped by our booth here in Louisville at the Advanced Ergonomics Conference. Just amazing people just stopped by here. And what's really cool is all around us is both exhibitors of products, but this has the Ergo Cup. And the Ergo Cup, all these companies from all over the world bring their best ergonomic solutions to here to display here and vie for the Ergo Cup. And so getting to see all these companies here and then them coming by and seeing our products, it's been great. So thank you again for everybody that came by. And so I'd like to start off right over here, just showing you. So this is our RCT, Rapid Change Technology workstation. It's an ergonomic height adjustable workstation, push of electric button. It goes up and down for different height people, which is great, but that's not all. Now, this particular one, it's patented technology. If you lower it completely to the floor, it actually goes ahead and it has different trolleys that actually, and this one has the casters already locked in, but it has different trolleys. These trolleys give you the ability to change this workstation over in a matter of moments. So now on second shift or third shift or something, you want to change this over, you can just pull this trolley off. You can even kit this ahead of time. You can load this up real ergonomically and then change this over, and you just roll that trolley back in there and it just locks and docks in there just like that. And then the cool feature also, if you ever get into collaborative robots, you can actually pull this away, and we have what's called our Cobot trolley. Our Cobot trolley gives you the ability to mount a collaborative robot right on this cart and its controller, and you can actually just roll that in to the back of the workstation. And it's not just any workstation again, it's an LTW Ergonomic Solutions RCT Rapid Change Technology workstation. Rapid change that, lock and dock a collaborative robot to this workstation. Maybe it's cell B station 7. You need a collaborative robot, maybe just for 2 shifts. Just lock and dock that in there. When you're done, just take that collaborative robot and dock it into another workstation. And so just a beautiful product right there, and a lot of interest here at the Advanced Ergonomics Expo for that, for sure. And then this is one of our applications where it raises the work to the operator. But a lot of times, like a conveyor or a big machine or a press, you can't raise it up and down. So in that case, we have operator platforms. One of those is this little guy right here. It's simply a chariot lift. So I can walk up on this chariot lift and go ahead and I can push this button and I can raise myself up to the work, which is really cool. And it kind of looks like a chariot, and it's just missing the horses out front, huh? So that's a beautiful product. We sell a lot of these for applications where just one operator actually has to interface with something right here. Maybe it's a conveyor again, or a big press, or any type of machine. And now they can, for first shift, small Sally or whatever, can raise themselves up, now work at the ergonomic height. Or tall Tom or anybody in between, lower that right down. And that just moves right in place. So next, I'll move on over to this platform. This operator platform, this is our brand new ultra low profile operator platform. This one here actually goes down to 2 inches off the floor. And as you're lowering it down, it's got an enhanced safety edge. So if your toe gets under it, it'll actually stop and retract off of that. This one here raises up 12 inches from there. So 2 inches to 14 inches off the floor. And we definitely customize any of these products. It's amazing. So that whatever your needs are, we can actually, our engineering team can go ahead and work with you and design that to work with your application. And we've got lots of other operator platforms on our website. You can definitely check those out. But again, this is push of electric button. All of our products are electric screw drives, mechanisms. There's no hydraulics to fail. There's no pneumatics to fail. These actuators, electric screw drive, real simple, and just a 120 plug in the wall makes your operators go up and down or the work go up and down. So then, operator platforms to then carts. This is our pick to cart. And this had a lot of interest today as well, and this week at the Applied Ergonomics Conference. A lot of you just love this, and I appreciate that very much. This cart here, designed for like distribution centers or any type of picking application where you actually want to pick parts into, say, totes, and then instead of the operator lifting or lowering those totes, let the pick to cart do that. So this one here, you can go ahead, and it's all lightweight, it's all aluminum frame construction, and so it's very light, easy to move. It's got center wheels right there so that it pivots right on that center, which makes it very versatile and mobile. And then you can actually pick into the top tote or right into the bottom tote through this port right here. And that is part of our patent on this. And then you can pull this drawer out to load larger items, slide that in, and that actually goes out the other way as well. So that's really nice. And then once you pick things, and maybe you got picked things that are actually on taller areas where you can't reach, put the steps down. You can go ahead and reach those taller areas, and then you can go lower that on down, and away you go. And so then, once they're all filled, you can go ahead and we can even program it so that the lower position, this is actually the position of a conveyor, an offload conveyor or a table, and you can just shove that right off onto there. Once that's off, we can program the up to raise this up and push an electric button. This will actually raise that lower one. Instead of somebody actually trying to pick that up and lift it onto a conveyor or a table, it'll actually raise that to the height of your conveyor. And then you can just easily push that right off onto the conveyor instead of picking it up. Beautiful product. We'd love to help you guys out in any application that needs pick-to-carts. And then we've got back here, this is our co-base. So this is an example of our tables. We've got a whole line of ergonomic height adjustable tables. And again, push of electric button, they all go up and down for different height people. This one here even has our LC technology or our levelers and our casters. So if you actually lower this down, it'll be on casters and it'll raise the levelers right up off the floor, and you can easily move it around. Then once you get in place, you can raise it and it lowers the levelers to the floor, raises the casters right up off the floor, and it's really solid in place until you need to move it. So that's a beautiful product. This one here is actually our co-base. It's our collaborative robot table that you can mount any collaborative robot to the top of there. We've got different adapter plates for different cobots. We've got adapter plates and adapter frames to go under here for your controllers. And now, in a matter of minutes, you can take a collaborative robot out of box, bolt it up on top here, bolt the controller on, plug it in, and it's up and going. But now this is not dedicated to just a certain area. You can even move this around and have it work wherever you need it to work. It's a beautiful product. Then, if you've got applications where you've got existing tables or machinery and you've got it all tricked out, but they don't go up and down for different height people, we've got retrofit kits. So one example of those is this is our Ergo Pillar. So this here, it's got flanges, heavy duty flanges on here, and you can just bolt 4 of these to each corner, one to each corner of your product, of your table or your machine, and they lift up to about 600 pounds capacity. We have heavier duty ones that just raise up a whole lot more. So we've got custom applications again. We'll work with you guys. We'll help raise your level of ergonomics however we need to, because we're Ergonomic Solutions. And so yeah, very heavy duty. This even has our patent pending leveler adjustment built right into the actuator. So that's really a neat feature. And then over here, kind of our last little product, we've got this little roller cart. We call this our GTR, or our General Tilt Roller. And it is adjustable height by pin legs, so we can adjust this to the height of, say, your roller conveyor. And then this is made for easy pack out, an ergonomic pack out, so that you can go ahead and put a box here, pack out at an ergonomic angle versus trying to put things in a box like this. Then when you fill the box, you can just kind of push the box, and by that time it's heavier. And we've got a gas strut on the back side of here, and it just tips over, and you just slide the box onto your roller conveyor. And then it just pops back up, and there you are, loading it nice and ergonomically. So that's our GTR, and that's all the products that we've got here for you today, but there's a lot more products on our website that you can go check out, and you can find those at LTW1.com. Get your ergonomic on.